pictures. Do you like them? I am picture crazy. My family gave up on me, and nowadays they just kind of stand there and say, Mom, are we done? They don't like pictures as much as I do. But for me, the history enthusiast, I'm sure you can see how I love pictures. I love things that help me remember times past. Pictures are so precious to have when you get a chance to look at them many years into the future. That's why I try to capture moments. My phone, my everything is full of pictures. The problem I have is actually how to organize them, because I have years and years of pictures. Some before we had things stored on iCloud, and now, and I'm trying to put it all together. Anyway, why am I talking all about pictures? Because that's another way you can actually include material in your autobiography. If you can get pictures from times past and you look at them and you sort through them and you try to think what was happening when we took this picture. I remember this person paid us a visit. I remember Mom used to work at this job at that time. I was in school. I had a history teacher that I liked. We went on a field trip and so on and so forth. So just looking at the picture, you can think of the circumstances, and that adds a lot of detail to your autobiography. You can think of the context. Who was in the picture? Where is this person now? What was the relationship? Where did we live? Where did I go to school? Where did Mom and Dad work at the time? Were there problems? I remember we took this picture when my family was going through some difficulty. For example, I'm just giving examples. So looking at those pictures can really help you remember a lot more. And that way you add a lot more flesh to your biography. Looking at other media, there was a time people had VCR video recordings of things. Do you have any? A lot of people do. Play some old recordings, family videos, and see what you can find. That can really help you remember times past as well and add flesh to your story. I'll see you in my next video. Hi, I'm Dr. Uche. I'm your friendly publisher, biography writing coach, book reviewer, a real life physician too. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit subscribe. That way you know when I upload new videos. Share with your family and friends. Follow me on this fascinating journey as I talk all about stories on this channel, children's book read aloud sessions, fiction from across the diaspora, and tips to help you on your journey to writing your biography. You take care, and I'll see you in my next video.